guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Hub in Analytics or Learn Analytics with Mohit. My name is Mohit and I teach Excel, SQL, Tableau in future and Power BI in future. I will teach in my YouTube channel. So we have been dealing with and solving complex LeetCode problems of easy level of difficulties to medium level to hard level. In the previous video, we have solved easy level of difficulties. Now in this video, I am going to solve 3 SQL problems of hard level of difficulties. First, we are going to solve friend request 2, who has the most friends. Then we are going to solve human traffic of stadium, which is of hard level of difficulty. Then finally, we are going to solve investments in 2016, which is a medium level of difficulty. Let me just start. So here we have a table called request accepted. Column is requester ID, acceptor ID, accept date. This table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, that is requester ID of the user who received the request, that is acceptor ID, and ID date when the request was accepted, accept date. Write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends number. The test cases are generated so that only one person has the most friends, so we need to limit the value to 1. We want to find only that person who has the most number of friends. So we will do, as you can see, most number of friends we can do order by descending clause and limit 1. So this is the input data where requester ID 1 has 2 friends, 2 and 3. Requester ID 2 has 2 friends, 1 and 3, and 3 has 3 friends, 1, 2 and 4. So on the output we have 3 as ID. So let me write the select queries here. Select, I can take requester ID as ID, comma, count distinct of acceptor ID as friends from request accepted table. Group by requester ID. Now we are going to do union all. Select acceptor ID, comma, count. In this case we are going to do count distinct of requester ID as friends from same request accepted table and group by acceptor ID, and we can write this as IG. Now let me just run this query. Let us see what output we get. So here we can see ID 1 has 2 friends, 2 has 1 friend, and 2 friends, 3 has 1, 2 plus 2, 3 friends, 4 has 1 friend. So in the output we should get 3 as the value. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a subquery. Select ID, comma, sum of friends as number that I want in the output. Keep it in the bracket and give it as an alias as A. I can write group by ID, order by num, descending, limit 1. Group by ID, order by number, limit 1. Number descending, limit 1 we want, because here is saying so that only one person has the most friends. It is accepted now. ID 3. Let me submit this. So now we have successfully solved this problem. Next problem is human traffic of stadium. This is of hard level difficulty, so please pay attention to this. Here we have a stadium column, stadium table. Column name is ID, visit date and people. Each row of this table contains the visit date and the visit ID to the stadium with the number of people during the visit. As the ID increases, the date increases as well. we have to write a solution query to display the record with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100 for each. That is, let's see, here ID 1, number of people is 10, so this will be excluded from the output. Number of IDs 2, 109 included, 150 also included, but number 4 ID has 99 people, so this is excluded. But we want 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, so 2, 3, 4 we can't select. Now we have 5 ID, 145 people, this will be in the output, 6 also in the output, 7 also, and 8 also. So in the output we have 5, 6, 7, 8 IDs. Let me select, select ID comma visit date, as we want this in the output, people comma, we can write ID minus row number. We want to create a group, ID comma row number over order by ID in ascending order as group. From which table? Stadium table, where people is greater than or equal to 100. Now let me run this query. So here I got the group 1 and group 2. We want only group 2. We can use having const star formula. By using having const star, we will get the output. Now I will select, let me keep this in a CTE clause with CTE as select ID comma visit date comma people from CTE where group is equals to select group from CTE group by group having count star as greater than or equals to 3. Now let me run it. Accepted. Now we got the successful output. Let me just submit this. So what we have done is we have selected ID visited people from group. Those group, that is group 2 will selected. Only group 2 is selected, which has 4 values. So having count star greater than or equal to 3, it will give me the correct output. Now we are going to solve the last problem, which is investments in 2016. So here we have a table called insurance, where we have following IDs columns. PID is the policy holders policy ID. TIV 2016 is the total investment value 2015. TIV 2016 is the total investment value in 2016. LAT is the latitude of the policy holder city. Long is the longitude of the policy holder city. Let us listen to report the sum of all total investment in 2016 for all policy holders who have the sum 2015 value as one or more other policy holders and are not located in the same city as any other policy holder. Let us see how can we solve this. So we have to use a common table expression. Select, we can select in the input table TIV 2016 count star over partition by TIV 2015 as TIV 2015 count. Again we can do count star over partition by latitude longitude as city count. From which table? From insurance table. Close this. Now we can select round of sum TIV 2016, 2 as TIV 2016 from CTE where TIV where TIV 2015 count TIV 2015 count is greater than 1 and CT count equal to 1. Let me run this. Accepted. So what I am doing here is, as you can see the problem statement, we have the same TIV 15 value as one or more other policy holders. So that's why we are doing count star over partition by 2015 as 2015 count, and it should be greater than 1. So one or more was the policy holders and are not located in the same city. Latitude longitude should be different. So count star of that should be equal to 1. City count should be equal to 1. Now let me submit this. Accepted. That's all for today's video. In the next video I am going to solve some that is some easy problem. We have salesperson, tree node, triangle judgment, then all the premium version, then we have bigger single number, not boring movies, extensives, swap salary. Like this we have lots of problems to solve now. Till date, happy learning, all the best, enjoy, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.